It's been 5 years. Millions have fled. Hundreds of thousands killed. Assad's regime weakened, now strengthened through Russian support and Western hesitation. Britain and America's defense secretaries met today. Their focus, not Aleppo, but IS, the enemy they share with Assad. On another day of much talking and much dying, they rejected the criticism. Given what is happening in Aleppo, will your legacies in Syria be remembered as failures, and perhaps shameful failures at that?
Well, there's nothing shameful about defeating Daesh. Daesh has terrorized the Syrian population just as it's terrorized the Iraqi cities that it's now been thrown out of. There's nothing shameful about that, on the contrary.
But
Aleppo is a tragedy of Russia's making.
But the civil war is only one aspect of a mesmerizing conflict. These are the areas held by rebels fighting Assad's regime. They're supported by Britain, America and Turkey. But then there's ISIS, which holds these areas. Assad, backed by Iran and Russia, is fighting them, and so too is Turkey, even though they've been accused of buying its oil. But the Turks also have their own conflict with Kurdish rebels. Confusingly, they're backed by America, which happens to be Turkey's ally too. So what began as a popular uprising against a dictator 5 years ago could destabilize a region engulfed by armed conflict. It is a mess. And so where next? The city of Idlib is where many of Aleppo's evacuees will go, but the rebels' stronghold could now face a similar fate. Tonight, the UN envoy for Syria said, if there isn't any agreement on a ceasefire and there is no political discussion, then Idlib is the next Aleppo.
Idlib devient la prochaine Aleppo.
To repeat, the obliteration of Aleppo might be repeated elsewhere. The Syria crisis is nowhere near over. Rohit Katru, News at 10.